Hi, I'm Zach, and today I'm going to show you how to wire a basic socket, socket with ring, and socket with extended threads. Hey guys, just so you know, I'm not a licensed electrician, nor should this demo be used instead of one. Color Cord Company and World Effect LLC are not liable for your DIY projects. To begin, we're going to take our socket cap, slide it over our already stripped wires, and screw it into the base half of the cord grip. Then we're going to take the top half of the cord grip, and go ahead and screw it down tightly for a strong overall assembly. Then we're going to prep our green neutral wire to go into the neutral housing in the top of the socket cap. Once you have it ready, you can go ahead and just slide it in like so. And once it is in, you can tightly secure it with the screw. Here you can see the overall assembly. Alright, next we're going to prep our black and white positive and neutral wires to be placed inside their terminal ports. We're going to take our finger and put it on the flat gold tab and identify which is the live port on the base of the socket. Then we're going to put our black wire in and pinch it in until it is locked into place like so. And then repeat with our white neutral wire on the opposite side in either of those two holes. And once we have that secure, you can go ahead and pop the top of the socket into the base like so, and you are done. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out all of our products and videos on colorcord.com.